Hi folks, have you been taking notice of the sky? Look at the colours in it. Unbelievable. But what I've noticed is that clouds are moving so slowly. I'm going to sit here and hold it. There's a look at the clouds here. There's not a breath of wind. I've noticed that this time of the night, but look at the colours. I come out at night and I'm seeing things that are not normal. You tell me, what am I seeing? I just had to get, look at that. Look at the colours around my house. Look at that blue. Now where did that come from? Hey? I'm going to move this around. I should go into my room and just see if I can find anything going on in the house. Yeah, amazing. Let's go inside. Look at the colours. Look, amazing. Now, tell me. Look at that. Look. No, that's got to be something strange. It's got to be light. It's scary sitting there looking at me like I'm nuts. Look at the colours. But more importantly, it's outside that I want you to look at. Have a look. Nothing wrong on my camera. So where's everything gone? Come on. What's going on here? Where's the clouds now? Hey? Something funny going on here. Something really strange. I think I'll go and put myself into a psychiatrist, eh? Oh, I hope you've all had a wonderful day. Something really strange. Where the hell do the clouds go? Hey?